Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to knit the right loop increase. KRL is a left-leaning increase that will be almost invisible in stockinette stitch. Let's show you how to knit it. In a previous video I already showed you KLL knit left loop. That's the corresponding right leaning counterpart. I'm mentioning it because you knit it in a very similar way and they often appear in pairs on the left and the right side of a project. So make sure to check out that video as well. I'll link it up in here and in the description below. But let's knit the right loop increase. You knit the right loop increase through the right leg of the loop one row below the first stitch on your left needle from behind. I know this sounds complicated, but it really isn't. So this is your next stitch on your left needle and you go one row below and then you insert the right needle into the right leg of that loop from behind like this. And then you slip this loop on your left needle, creating an extra stitch here. And now you simply knit this stitch. And then you knit the next stitch as normal. And there is your KRL. Let's do it one more time. So insert the needle into the stitch one row below from behind. Lift it on your left needle and knit it. Again. Insert, lift, and knit. It's really that simple and quite invisible in stockinette stitch. So where's the catch, you might ask? I mean, if it's all that invisible, why isn't everyone knitting KRL? Well, quite frankly, I don't know. It really is a great increase, but I have to mention that if you're knitting with a very fussy yarn like mohair, it will be very hard to pick up this stitch. So sometimes you will find it impossible, also if you're knitting on small needle. And I have to mention that if you stretch the fabric, then you will see little gaps here. Nothing spectacular, but still there, especially if you're a loose knitter. And you can close these gaps if you see them by knitting the lifted stitch through the back loop. Let's show you. So you lift it and now you don't knit it through the front loop but through the back loop like this. And this will close potential gaps. However, this will make the increase a bit more visible. So you really have to decide for yourself. Anyway, that's it. That's how you knit the KRL. Give me a thumbs up if I was able to show you how to knit the right loop increase. And of course, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. Happy knitting!